QBasic, Graphics and Sounds. In the chapter Using Graphics, Screen Command, Color Command, Line Command, Circle Command, Using Sounds. QBasic can be used to draw figures and diagrams. You can draw different shapes such as line, square, circle, and so on. You can also fill in different colors in these shapes. The computer screen is made up of hundreds of picture elements, very small dots called pixels. The number of pixels horizontally and vertically determines the resolution of the monitor. Higher the resolution, better is the quality of picture display. Using graphics. QBasic has two modes, text mode and graphics mode. The text mode is used to display text on the screen. The graphics mode is used to display both text and graphics on the computer screen. A computer screen is divided into 25 rows horizontal and 80 columns vertical. The top left corner of screen is addressed as 1, 1, which means first column and first row. The bottom right corner of screen is addressed as 80, 25, which means 80th column and 25th row. When you start QBasic, by default, the program uses text mode. In order to draw graphics, the screen mode has to be changed to graphics mode. Screen command. The screen command is used to change to the different screen modes available in QBasic. Table 5.1 shows the various screen modes and when they are used. The syntax of the screen command is screen mode, where mode is the screen mode number. Mode used for screen 0, text mode. Screen 1, graphics mode with 320 by 200 pixels. Screen 2, graphics mode with 640 by 200 pixels. Screen 3, graphics mode with 720 by 348 pixels. Screen 7, graphics mode with 320 by 200 pixels. Screen 9, graphics mode with 640 by 350 pixels. Screen 12, graphics mode with 640 by 480 pixels. Screen 13, graphics mode with 320 by 200 pixels. The screen 0 command is used to return to the default text mode and has 16 colors. The screen 1 command is generally used for medium resolution graphics mode. The screen 2 command is generally used for high resolution graphics mode. The screen 12 command is generally used for the highest resolution. The screen 13 command is most used as it has 256 colors. Color command. QBasic uses color codes for different colors. The list of common color codes understood by QBasic are listed in Table 5.2. Color code, color name, 0, black. 1. Blue. 2. Green. 3. Cyan. 4. Red. 5. Magenta. 6. Yellow. 7. White. 8. Gray. 9. Light blue. 10. Light green. 11. Light cyan. 12. Light red. 13. Light magenta. 14. Light yellow. 15. High intensity white. The color command is used to define the background and foreground colors for the graphics. The color statement can be used as color, foreground color, background color. This can be seen in the following examples. Example 5.1. CLS, color 2, print green, end. The color command in example 5.1 defines the color of the text to be green, as 2 is the code for green color. QBasic will display the text green in green color on the screen. Let's modify the above example by providing value for background also. Example 5.2. CLS, color 2, 4. Print green text on red background. End. This program will display green colored text on red colored background. Line command. The line command is used to draw a line between 2 points. The points are defined in X, Y format. The syntax of the line statement is as follows. Line X1, Y1 to X2, Y2, C, B, F, where X1, Y1 is the address of the starting point of the line. X2, Y2 is the address of the end point of the line. Remember that X1 and X2 are the column numbers, whereas Y1 and Y2 are the row numbers. C is the QBasic color code. If you do not mention any color code, then computer will take default color code here. B stands for box. It is used to draw an empty rectangle with X1, Y1 and X2, Y2 as diagonally opposite corners of the rectangle. BF means filled box. It is used to draw a filled rectangle with X1, Y1 and X2, Y2 as diagonally opposite corners of the rectangle. Example 5.3. CLS, screen 9, line 2015 to 9090 10. The program in example 5.3 draws a green line from coordinates 20, 15 to 90, 90. Example 5.4. CLS, screen 9, line 20, 15 to 90, 90, 10, BF, end. The program in example 5.4 draws a rectangle filled with green color from the coordinates 20, 15 to 90, 90. Example 5.5. CLS. Screen 12. CLS. Line 0, 0 to 320, 240, 15. The program in example 5.5 will draw a line starting at coordinate 0, 0, which is the upper left corner of the screen, and ending at 320, 240, which is the center of the screen. The number 15 defines the color code for high intensity white. Fact box. To draw a vertical line, keep the column coordinates same for both x1 and x2 and differ the row coordinates. For example, line 40, 60 to 40, 100, 5. Similarly, to draw a horizontal line, keep the row coordinates same for both y1 and y2 and differ the column coordinates. For example, line 30, 70 to 90, 70, 11. Smart tip. End statement can be considered optional in small and simple programs. Its necessity increases with the complexity of program as it denotes the point where the program stops. Circle command. The circle command is used to draw a circle or ellipse in QBasic. You need to define the coordinates of the center, the radius of the circle, and the color. The syntax of the circle statement is as follows. Circle X, Y, R, C, S, A, E, A, where X, Y are the coordinates of the center of the circle, R is the radius of the circle, C is the color code, it is optional. SA is the starting angle. Use it if you want to draw an arc. EA is the ending angle of the arc. Example 5.6. Screen 12. CLS. Circle 320, 240, 100, 15. In example 5.6, the coordinate 320, 240 tells the computer where to put the center of the circle. 100 is the radius or how big the circle will be, and 15 is the color number for bright white. The circle that appears on your screen will be similar like this. The circle shown was not just filled in, it just has outline. Paint command. The paint command is used to fill an area with the specified color. The syntax of the paint command is as follows. Paint X, Y, C, where X, Y are the coordinates which tell the computer about from where to start color fill. C is the color code. Example 5.7. CLS, screen 12, circle 100, 100, 50, 4. Paint 100, 100, 4. End. In example 5.7, the coordinate 100, 100 tells the computer where to start filling the circle, and 4 is the color number for red. The circle that appears on your screen is red in color and will be similar like this. using sounds. You can also add sound effects in your programs. The beep statement is used to produce a beep sound, and sound FD command is used to specify the beep intensity, that is, how high or low the beep sound will be, and the time for which the sound is heard. F stands for frequency, which can be from 37 to 32,767. D stands for duration, for which the sound plays. It can range between 0 and 65,535. Let's see some examples. Example 5.8. CLS. Input. To hear a beep, press the Enter key. $beep. As soon as you hit Enter key on the keyboard, it will produce a simple beep sound. Example 5.9. CLS. Input. To hear a different sound, press any key. $P. Sound 910. As you press any key from the keyboard, a sound with 900 Hz frequency will be heard for 10 seconds. Notice that no output will be displayed on the screen. For examples 5.8 and 5.9, only beep or a sound is heard.